Hey guys, Ronel here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you the skincare products that I'm currently using. This is somewhat an updated skincare routine vlog because I already filmed one last year. If you haven't watched it yet, I'll link it in the description box below. So guys, if this is something that you're interested in, then please do keep on watching. So guys, kakatapos ko lang maghilamos and I don't have anything on my face right now. So let's start off with the facial cleansing bar that I'm currently using. It's my current favorite and I've been using it for quite a while now. And if you're a constant viewer, feeling ko alam niyo na kung ano yung product na tinutukoy ko. So yes guys, I'm talking about the Dermaid Acne Soap Facial Cleansing Bar. I got this from Watson's and I super love this kasi ang dali niya makapagpa-dry ng pimples. And this contains salicylic acid that helps lessen breakouts. So guys, if you have acne problems, ang mura lang ng solusyon and ang dali lang mahanap. Feeling ko lahat ng Watson's mega nito, even sa website nila. And for the prices guys, don't worry because I will have everything linked in the description box down below. So the next product guys is my current favorite toner and it is the Thayers alcohol-free toner. This contains witch hazel extract, lavender, aloe vera, grapefruit extract, etc. And one thing that I've noticed after a month of using this, napansin ko talaga na yung skin ko napaka-healthy looking tingnan. And madalang na lang ako magka-breakout. Mag-spray lang ako sa kamay ko before ako maglagay ng toner. So guys, maglalagay na ako ng toner sa palm ko. Ayan. Then, ganon. Then, pat lang sa face. And guys, don't forget to include your neck ha. And because alcohol-free siya, wala kayong mafe-feel na burning or stinging sensation. Next up guys are my current favorite serums and they're both from Lux Organics. This one is the Miracle Repair Serum. Ito yung sinasabi nilang dupe ng The Ordinary. And yung main ingredient nito is Niacinamide, which has a lot of healing benefits and it is known to be an effective ingredient for acne treatment. It minimizes your fine lines, wrinkles, it can make your pores look smaller, and it also treats hyperpigmentation. This one naman guys is the newest serum from Lux Organics. It's from their Cica Rescue line. And yung main ingredient naman ito is Centella asiatica, which is known to be an effective treatment for acne, wounds, or even psoriasis. And it's a great ingredient when it comes to oily or acne-prone skin because it provides the right level of moisture that we need. Hindi ko sila ginagamit ang sabay guys ha. Alternate ko silang ginagamit. Like, kung gagamitan ko to ngayon, I'll use this naman tomorrow. But since ginamit ko to last night, ito gagamitin ko ngayon. And same pa rin guys, maglalagay lang ako ng enough na amount sa palm ko. Yan. And then, pat lang. So face, forehead, then neck. Tapos pag may natira, nilalagay ko sa kamay ko. Next up guys is this one. This is the Lux Organics Soothing Gel. Madami akong binili. And ito na rin yung ginagamit ko as moisturizer for my face. Wala na akong ginagamit ng mga cream or mga whitening cream or kung ano-ano dyan. Ito na lang talaga ginagamit ko. And nilalagay ko siya sa ref. Pati yung iba kong skincare, nilalagay ko sila sa ref. Guys, it doesn't mean ha na pag nakalagay sa ref mas effective. It's just that mas prefer ko lang na malamig sila na ilalagay sa face para mas refreshing. So maglalagay lang ako. Medyo marami akong malagay nito. Huwag niyong tipirin yung self nyo. Kasi hindi naman to mahal. And then, Ayan. Lagay lang sa face. Mas nakaka-refresh talaga pag malamig. Pag galing sa ref. Kaya tuloy na pabili ako ng mini ref sa room ko. Yung plan ko was yung skincare ref lang or skincare fridge. Kaso, kasing price lang niya yung mga mini ref na makikita nyo sa mga hotel. So, ayun. Yun na lang yung binili ko. At least pwede pa malagyan ng food, diba? Hindi lang skincare. Guys, lagyan nyo yung neck nyo, tsaka yung pati yung kamay nyo, arms. Pag may sobra. And guys, pag may active pimple naman ako, ito ang ginagamit ko. This one is from Fresh. Ito yung Acne Care Lotion nila. And what I do is, naglalagay lang ako sa part na may active pimple, not sa whole face. And this one's super effective. For my lips naman, I'm still using my favorite Lucas Papaw Ointment. Siguro naka-4 na ako na ganito. And guys, pag lumalabas naman ako, yung ginagamit ko is the Dior Lip Balm. Tapos, naglalagay na lang ako ng tint on top of it para may gradient effect lang. And guys, last but not the least is this one. It's the Belo Glutathione with Collagen. Hindi siya nagpapaputi. Alam mo yon, yung extreme na nagpapaputi. I don't recommend this sa mga taong gusto lang magpaputi. Pero, yung nabibigay nito is parang youthful skin or glowing skin. Alam mo yon? Kasi I'm turning 32 this year. And simula nung gumamit ako nito, parang bumata ka ng 5 years, 3 years, ganon. Parang feeling ko 28 lang ako or 27. Kaya naman hindi ako nakakalimot na mag-take nito after ko mag-skincare. Kasi feeling ko responsible din siya kung bakit medyo nawala yung mga fine lines and wrinkles ko. Kaya so that's for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. God bless us all and thank you for watching. Bye!